Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 4a, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So, to get started, you'll want to turn off your device by pressing power button and volume up at the same time, and from here select power off. Now your device will turn off, and when it does so, you want to hold power button and volume down. And after a moment, this will boot us into the bootloader. When you see this mode, immediately let go of the buttons. Sometimes when you let go of them, you might have this page disappear. If that happens to you, start holding these buttons again. What happens is when you let go of the power button, it actually accepts start as an input, which means that the device would reboot and go back to Android. Obviously, if you want to stay in here and choose other option than start, you'd want to get back in here in this case. But when you're in this mode, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the menu, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, going over the options that we have things like start, which, like I mentioned, takes us back to Android. We have restart bootloader, which just brings us back here. Recovery mode, which takes us to the dedicated recovery mode. We have power off, and we're back to start. So you know what, I'm gonna stick with this mode now, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.